Hello everyone.
Hello.
We continue the series of issues with sparklers inside different items. Be sure to watch the past issues, you will like them. The next one is a tomato. Mr. Tomato. Take a sparkler.
Нет, дайте-ка я буду.
Shove it in. Well done.
Так. Спасибо.
Thanks. We're setting it on fire. You can't blow it out.
Ой.
Мама, иди! Мама, огонь!
Fire.
Огонь.
We need to turn off the lights.
Только
Just look.
посмотрите.
It's gone out in the tomato.
Горячий.
Hot. We need to make a bigger hole. Let's try again. Setting it on fire, yes.
Мама, иди! Огонь!
Огонь, да.
Да.
Вау, смотрите.
What a
какой
bright
помидор.
tomato. It
Очень
looks
красиво
very
смотрится.
nice.
Давайте
Let's do it
повторим
again.
сразу еще один. Еще
We
один
will
пример.
insert another
Поставим.
sparkler.
Огонь. Мама, иди! Огонь!
A
Красивый
beautiful
красный
red
помидор,
tomato is
яблоко
like a red
красное,
magic apple.
волшебное.
A very interesting experience.
Опыт.
It went out. We have already conducted an experiment with tangerine, lemon, and tomato with you. Next, let's try to put a sparkler in the water and see what happens to it. And also in Coca Cola. But we will do all this in the next video, and put more than 100 likes on this one, and the new issue will be released immediately. And also do not forget to write in which letter to stick a sparkler.
Просто засунуть её в газик.